everyone. I have to show you this little guy I found at the thrift store today. I am just so elated, so thrilled. He's vintage and I wanted one of him and he was $1. So, excuse me. So, I'm just so happy, happy, happy. I just wanted to show you that. Just quick, go to the thrift stores and check them out if you want vintage. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome to my messy, messy, messy table. The first ornament I want to show you is I grabbed one of these from Michael's and I Mod Podged this cheesecloth on it and let it dry overnight. I was not in any hurry and I thought it would be fun. It's going to be fun, they said. Just to like wrap this gauze or cheesecloth around it and come up with something different. Well, it's different, all right. Which jiggy, it's like one of those where you keep adding stuff and you think, oh yeah, it'll be better if I just put this on there too. Okay, if my left hand shakes, so if I hold the camera, you're gonna be seasick. So I gotta show you this way. Okay, can you see that Santa? There we go. There we go. All right, so first I put the gauze on and then I folded it and glued it. And then I took these beads, if I can find them. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Remember these from the dollar section at Michael's? Well, I put that on there. And I added flowers and pearls, and then I added I don't even know what to call these things. They were in where you get branches of cute little glittery stuff at Stein's one year, and I just put them on here. And then I had painted the flowers and put glitter on there, and that's what I came up with. I don't know. All right, the next one, super easy. They got these stockings at Walmart, and then I just added this lace on top, the flowers and the stamen, and the lace on the bottom. Super easy, 1, 2, 3, and I like them. And the last one, I gotta reach. Okay, this one, got the image off Pinterest. Added Mod Podged so I could put glitter on it. I don't know on the inside if you can tell. I used this, oops, this yarn that I got from thrift store, and I put it on the inside around the picture, and then I put it on the edge here, and then just flowers and stamen, and got some of those little white greenery, not greenery, branch things. I put them on there too. So that's how that turned out. So not thrilled with them, but it's pink. So I'll call it Shabby and call it a day, and I'm so happy that I got my Santa. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Hope you're having a really happy day or night or middle of the night, whatever this is for you. Okay, bye for now.